Imagine a world where hope loses out to darkness and all you see is dark shadows. Imagine children who at a tender age face the challenges of life, the challenges to survive. What impression does it leave on your mind? It leaves an impression of 8 crore Vanvasis living in 1 lakh villages spanned across India, who, even after 57 years of independence, live a miserable life. Misery of illiteracy and lack of basic fundamental rights. Illiteracy suffocates their basic rights, leading to superstitions. Superstitions that play against the rules of mankind. But 16 years ago, rose a new sun in the lives of these Vanvasis. A revolution that brought alive the dying hopes. A revolution called Ekal Vidyalaya, with a mission, 1 village, 1 school, 1 teacher. For children, this mission brought into light the importance of education, showing them the way to life. A gradual change was brought into the lives of these Vanvasis, and today, Ekal has reached them to new heights. It has given every child an opportunity to fly, and fly high, to fulfill their dreams, and a chance to breathe free. To take this little ray of hope to every corner of the country, and to give every child a teacher whom he can look up to, is what Ekal looks forward to achieve. Today, Ekal Vidyalaya has reached almost all the states of the country, and hence, this revolution has garnered more and more support, and your support can see every child take the path to a bright future. Let's make an effort to educate each and every Vanvasi. Let's make their dreams come true, because education can help shape the future of India and realize our mission. Sarva Shiksha, Sarva Samruddhi.
हे हंसवाहिनी ज्ञानदायिनी अम्ब विमलमति दे अम्ब विमलमति दे
This movement was started with a small experiment by Dr. Rakesh Popley, a nuclear scientist, in 1985 in Bishnupur, 150 kilometers from Ranchi. The experiment took shape of a movement in 1989 under the leadership of late Shri Madan Lal Agarwal. Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation of India and Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation of the US came into existence later in 2001. The progress of schools from 2001 to 2005. Our future projection: by 2011 the movement will grow to 1 lakh schools. State-wise bifurcation of schools at present and targets set for 2006 and 2007. The lead support organizations for resource mobilization in India are Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation of India and its associate organizations are Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad for North India, Friends of Tribal Society for other parts of India. The schools are run by the respective state voluntary organizations. Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation has chapters in 9 other countries. In India, Friends of Tribal Society and Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad has chapters in most of the state headquarters. Functional literacy comprises of primary education, health education, development education, and empowerment education. Sponsorship details of different type of schools are: Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation of India deals with Type 2 schools at present. Type 2 schools sponsorship is rupees 15,000 per annum. In terms of US dollars, it is $365, which is $1 a day. 90% of the funds are used directly on the project. Only 10% is for administration. Outside support for any state is committed for a period of 5 years. At present, 30% of the total 16,000 schools are supported by state itself. Your support for this noble cause will take the movement further to the most deserving tribal children.
कल्पना कीजिए ऐसे भविष्य की जहां रोशनी का कोई सुराग भी न हो, बस अंधेरा ही अंधेरा। कल्पना कीजिए तकलीफों में पले बचपन की और ऐसे बच्चों की आखिर क्या तस्वीर उभरती है आपकी आंखों में? तस्वीर उभरती है भारत के 1 लाख गांव के 8 करोड़ वनवासियों की, जो गुलाम हैं। आजादी के 57 साल बाद भी गुलामी, अशिक्षा की, विचारों की, अधिकारों की। अशिक्षा मारती है अधिकारों को और जन्म देती है अंधविश्वास को, जो खोखला करती है विचारों की नींव। और 16 साल पहले एक ऐसी सुबह हुई जिसने इन वनवासियों के जीवन में आशा की नई जोत जलाई, जो थी एकल विद्यालय, एक गांव, एक विद्यालय, एक शिक्षक का अभियान। इस अभियान ने वनवासी बच्चों को समझाई शिक्षा की शक्ति और दिखाई राह जीने की। दिन बदले, हालात बदले, विचार बदले, और आज एकल हर दिन नई नई ऊंचाइयां छू रहा है। अब हर वनवासी बच्चे को मिली है उड़ान, उड़ान नन्हे सपनों को पूरा करने की, उड़ान उन्मुक्त जीवन जीने की। आज शिक्षा की ये छोटी सी रोशनी कल उजागर कर दे शिक्षा जगत का कोना कोना। यही है संकल्प एकल का। आखिर हर एकलव्य को मिल ही गया एक शिक्षक, यानी एकल विद्यालय। और एकल के इस संकल्प की रोशनी आज देश के 12 प्रांतों तक पहुंच चुकी है, और इसीलिए बढ़ती जा रही है एकल की ये शिक्षा श्रृंखला। आइए हम और आप भी इस शिक्षा आंदोलन का हिस्सा बनकर इन बच्चों को इनकी मंजिल तक पहुंचाएं। जब हर आदिवासी शिक्षित होगा तब देश समृद्ध होगा, और देश के वनवासी बच्चों को शिक्षित करने का ये सपना एकल के माध्यम से अब साकार हो सकता है। सर्व शिक्षा सर्व समृद्धि का।